Welcome to a very special edition of Jen's Daily Dish. Today I'm going to show you the top 7 kitchen gadgets I own under $30 that I cannot live without. Because 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gadgets galore, so many choices, which ones to secure? I will show you now. The spatula. I love these spatulas. I have them in a few different sizes. These are by Prepology. I have links at the bottom of my video, so feel free to check those out. I love the fact that it's fully enclosed. I know, you know, and have those spatulas where the tops come off. I know, some of them are very cute looking, but when the tops come off and you're in the middle of cooking something, it's never a good thing. Also, the gunk gets stuck in the ridge. It's an extra pain to clean. These can be used on the stove at very high temperatures, as well as put in your dishwasher, an extra benefit. The pastry cutter. Oh yes. You've seen me. I get down and dirty with the dough sometimes, getting my fingers all messy in there to mush the butter in. But sometimes I don't feel like that because I want my hands to be a little bit warm and not in the cold butter that I need to mix into the flour. And that's when the pastry cutter comes into play. Check out my biscuit dough and the strawberry hand pies to see it in action. The silicone Pastry Mat. Oh yes, this is also a must-have and has saved me tremendously when I've been baking things because I am terrible at measurements. I'm okay at math, but measurements not so good. So geometry was not a strong point of mine. But with the measurements here of the different circles and the inches that it has over here, I've been able to measure things. So I've used this for spelt pita, I have used this for biscuits, I have used this for the hand pies, I use this for the empanadas. I'm hard pressed to think of recipes I have not used this for. This is key, and the beauty of it, wash it, fold it up, you can smoosh it. You don't need to worry about it creasing. It keeps its shape. It's a great thing. A French rolling pin. This was a game changer for me. I used to use this type of roller, which I'm sure you have. It's just not the same. When you are rolling with your hands across the top of this, and you can really get that leverage, it works out so much better. I'm going to show you. If I'm rolling something out, I can even get it on the side or on this side or rotate it this way or this way. With a regular rolling pin, I really only have leverage in the middle, so I have to go like this. And it doesn't allow me to have as much flexibility and movement with the dough. My favorite tech gadget in the kitchen under $30, gravity salt and pepper shakers. They are very cool, and every time I use them, it just puts a big smile on my face. Let's take a look at the pepper first. You'll see I've got the full peppercorns in here, and it's going to grind it in here, and I can adjust the coarseness up here. But all I do, one-handed, look at that. Same for the salt. I'm not even left-handed. The beauty of these two gravity salt and pepper shakers is that I can use them one-handed. So if your left hand is in the meatloaf and you need some more salt or pepper, just grab your gravity salt and pepper shaker. That's all you need. The instant read thermometer, a necessity. A lot of recipes will require water or milk or even your bread to be a specific temperature before you use it, take it out of the oven, etc. An instant read thermometer is a must-have. I really like this one. Perhaps it doesn't read things as quickly as I would like, but it still reads it far faster than those other ones that you put in that have the dial thing. The Pastry Scraper. Oh yes, I love this so very much. I've used this for so many things. In the recent strawberry hand pies video, you saw me use this to help me get the melting dough up onto my baking sheet. It is a necessity. I cannot live without it. This is definitely a must-have. And for those who need some measurements, it has 6 inches on the bottom. Even better. I hope you learned something looking at my favorite top 7 kitchen gadgets under $30. Don't forget the descriptions and links to all of these gadgets are under my video, so check that out. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video with your friends and family so they too can find some fabulous kitchen gadgets.